Hi, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to see about the career in finance. What are all the other opportunities other than banking? There are various opportunities which you may not be aware of. So please look into. Now in this video we are going to see about the other opportunities. And if you are working there, even later period with your experience of 3 years or 5 years or 2 years, you can join even banking as well if you need it. Instead of looking only into banking, let's grab the other opportunities. These are the very good opportunities. And one more interesting thing is here there is no direct sales. You are going to meet only the distributors. So meeting the distributors will be much more easy, and it will proceed as per your company's tie-up. So you are going to grab the benefit of your company's tie-up. Now let's see. Asset management companies. AMCs are firms pooling funds from various individual and institutions investors and investing in various securities. Money is invested in various financial instruments like equity securities or debt securities. In simple, if you open a demat account and you are selecting your shares, if you are buying HDFC shares or Reliance or Tata shares, that comes under securities. If you are giving your money to AMC, if you are giving your money to one company and then company is investing in stocks on behalf of you or on behalf of group of customers, that is called asset management companies. See, the asset management companies is pooling funds from various individuals. Maybe thousands of individuals is giving money to the asset management company, and the asset management companies would be having the category of funds and investing on those funds and giving the returns to you, that is called AMC. It will invest in a set of funds on behalf of you. But here the thing is, you are not going to select the shares. Just you are going to select the pattern of investments, high risk, low risk, such things you are going to select. And on behalf of you, the company is going to invest, and the company fund manager is going to monitor. And he will be the decision maker, and you are the beneficiary. Even n number of individuals can invest. Even some portfolio, some funds would have 20,000 crores, 40,000 crores. The fund you are investing 1 lakh or 10,000 or 5,000 rupees will be the part of your investments. This is the way the asset management companies will work. Okay, what are all the leading asset management companies here? ICICI Prudential Mutual, it is not bank. So please keep that in mind. It is not bank. It is a separate entity of the, it's a separate asset management entity. Since the bankers are the leaders, they have their own separate entities in these fields. It's ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, Reliance, SBI, L&T, Kotak, Franklin are some leading players. DSP, Axis, IDFC, UTI are the pioneers in this. UTI are the pioneers. Motilal Oswal, Mary Asset Mutual Funds. See, all these mutual funds would be having the branches across the states, and they will be how they function. They will not, as I said, they will not go directly and meet the customers. Here they have the distributors comes in place here. These asset management companies will have the tie-ups with the distributors. There are two way of distributors. One is the bank will act as a distributor, and number two is there are to be a distributor there is a norms. You should be an NISM qualifier. There are many such individuals. There are lots of individuals who have qualified in NISM. And if you have the unlike other things, if some companies can have tie up with only one company. If bank is having tie up, if HDFC is having tie up with the HDFC mutual fund, they cannot sell Reliance or something. But here the case is not so. Even the HDFC bank will sell ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, and also HDFC and also Reliance and also SBI. That is the beauty of this, because there is no restriction on the distributors tie-up. The thing is, the distributors will be recommending the best performing funds, maybe across, it could be from any AMC. So even the HDFC Bank will be selling the UTI mutual fund, the Axis Bank will be selling the HDFC mutual fund, and the ICICI will be selling the SBI mutual fund. Like that, there's no restrictions. So here, if you are working in ICICI Prudential, HDFC or Reliance, there is two way to promote your products. The one is meeting, there are individual distributors, there are numerous lots of individual distributors. You are going to meet them, say this is our fund performance, so please recommend your customers. So they will recommend you, you will get the benefit. They will also get the commission. It works on that model. They will also get the commission. Number two, it's a very successful model, is you are going to meet the banks. You are going to meet HDFC branches, Axis branches, or government banks, or LVB, KAB, any banks you are going to meet. Those customers will those banks and branches, they will recommend your funds to those customers, and all the funds will be received by you and you will be processing. This is the way the company works. So there's no direct sales, just you are going to meet the distributors. And also, if you have very good experience in this, you can later you can get into banking as well. Than banking, these setters are a very leading setters, because there are numerous customers who have 1 crore or 2 crore funds in hand, and they're demanding high interest, high returns. So if they demand high returns, they will prefer only mutual fund. See, jobs in asset management companies. There are, as a freshers, there are many leaders, researchers, fund managers. There are many top positions. But as a freshers, you have one as a customer service officer who process the request, customer requests like investments, redemption. If some customer is investing the funds, they may process online, or if they are not KYC applicant, then they will submit the forms to you. You will process the KYC enabler, investments, closures, and any other customer request. These are the customer service officer. To be a customer service officer, you should be an NISM certification. And the number two is, it's a relationship officer. It is selling mutual funds through individual distributors. As I said, it's not a direct sales. You are not going to meet the customers directly. There are, because each distributors will be having 100,000 customers. If you have 20 distributors in hand, that's enough. You can be a successful person in the AMC, and you can have the attractive incentives as well. The second thing is selling mutual funds through institutions like banks. You'll be visiting the companies will be having the tie-up, so you will be visiting the branches, and the branches in turn will be promoting you. And one more thing is, if your AMC is performing well, there are numerous updations and numerous magazines are there. The customers will himself refer only you. If they at the banks, they will demand to invest in your AMCs. So in that cases also, you will be receiving the forms easily. So friends, it's a fantastic opportunity, because it's a way only to have the high returns. So don't miss it. Both the options will be good. Even in future, if you want to join banking, definitely you can. Number two, it's about the securities of brokerage firms. An investor who wants to trade online need to open a demat account with security firms, brokers. A brokerage firm is simply a place where investors and traders go for buying and selling stocks. It charges a commission on these transactions. Every time an investor buys or sells a stock, a transaction fee is charged. Their primary purpose is to ensure investment gives maximum returns. Yes, I hope you can understand better. It's a one more. Earlier we have seen the AMCs. It was on mutual fund model. Here this is securities or brokerage firms. Here it works on the share trading. In simple terms, it is share trading. It is a brokerage firm. If any investors, if you have a savings account or current account, you can put your money in savings. If you deposit your money, it lies on your savings account. Like if you are purchasing the HDFC shares or Reliance shares or Tata shares, where it will lie? Can you buy without the account? You cannot in India. If any investor want to invest, they need to open a demat account. Only in demat account you can purchase your shares, right? In brokerage firm, the brokerage firm is acting as a mediator between the investor and the trader. If you buy, if you sell, they will put a commission on it. Even 1 rupee or 2 rupee per shares, they will earn very much of stocks. This every time investor buys or sells, the transaction fee is charged. Yes, this is what the brokerage firm. And you can be a part of the you can work in securities of brokerage firm. Who are the securities of brokerage firms? Yes, these bankers and other top players are there in the securities firms. See that here it is separate entities. It is not AMCs. ICICI AMC is totally different. ICICI Securities is it's a separate entity. So these are the top players: ICICI Securities, HDFC Securities, Kotak, Axis Direct, IIFL, Geojit, Edelweiss, Reliance, and Angel Broking, 5paisa, Motilal Shakon. You can be a part of any of these firms, and you can have a very good career in finance. This is what I mean to say. What is the job? Yes, graduates and postgraduate can work, and of course, NISM certification is must. As a customer service officer, here you'll be processing the account opening or the offline transactions. That is as like fund transfer, you'll be transferring the shares from one account to another account, customer details updation, etc. As a relationship officer, here your role is you are opening the demat accounts. That is identifying the demat accounts, then and recommending the stocks based on company's recommendation, and enabling purchase and sales of here you can sell individual shares or mutual funds, derivatives, fixed deposits as well. They have the separate fixed deposits. This is the role of the relationship officer. And one more thing is, as I said, the reliance here to open the demat accounts, there are two channels. One, you will be directly meeting the customers to open the demat accounts, and number two, here there won't be individual distributors to open a demat accounts. There won't be individual distributors, but you can have the distributors will be the banks. But unlike that, ICICI would be opening the ICICI direct accounts. HDFC would be opening the HDFC direct accounts, and Axis will be preferring to opening their Axis direct accounts. So if you're working in on those concerns, on those banks, securities firms, you will be meeting your branches. Your already existing customers of banks will be opening the demat account with you. So you are not going to meet the customers directly. You are going to meet your tie-up branches. Those customers of your branches will open the demat account, and it will be comes under your account. Here just you are going to meet your branches, so it is not a direct sales. And shares trading is, even though I know as a freshers you may not be much aware of, it is the only platform in India which gives the huge return. So always the investors, money holders will prefer it. If you are working under this, you can earn 3 lakhs per annum and plus incentives, and it's an easy opportunity to join banking and other finance opportunities if required. And if you are much knowledgeable in this, it is not required to join banking. As like banking, you can earn a much more income here without such stress, because banking and all, they will be holding the multiple products, highly regulated. Here without strain, with the company's tie-up, already you by default you will be getting the benefit of business. And if you are running without the complaint and with compliance, it is enough. You can be a successful employee, and you can have a successful career in finance. uh, the recruitment type, it will be walk-in branches for these models. Friends, I hope it is useful information to you. For please any informations, please reach us. We provide various services. Reach us at resume@bestbankingjobs.com and 9952832163. Please share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.